Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. This video is for those people who are searching for the free books online and are unable to get it. And today I am going to introduce you to one of the very good website where you can find free books. And I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get upcoming videos notification, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit out of this. Now let's move on to the screen to see which is that website. Now coming on to our screen, here I am using Google Chrome. You can choose any of the browsers whichever you like. Here I click LibGen. In the Google search results, just search for www.libgen.is and click on LibGen. It will take you to the official website of Library Genesis. You will find a search bar. In the search bar you can type any keyword of the book. Here I will be typing Ordino and go for search. As soon as you search, you will find that there are a huge number of books listed here on the topic that you have searched, and there are various extensions here. If you see here extensions, you will see that it is PDF and so on. A different format books are present. Whichever you like, you can download it. Here I will be choosing this PDF format. Just click on this one or two. These are the mirrors for downloading. When I click on one, it will take me to page like this. At the top you will have a get text, and then you can choose any of these gateways that are given below. Here if I click on get, automatically the file should download, and you can see if the file is not downloading, then you can go for you can just go to downloads and check for it. You can see here the file is being downloaded, and that's all friends. In this way we can download so many books, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Jai Hind.